Welcome to Westminster Abbey, a place of remembrance, a community of hope. We acknowledge the legacy of commitment, compassion, and excellence we inherit. We praise God for all those nurses and midwives who, like her, have carried the lamp of healing into the dark places of our world.
I was hungry, and you gave me food. I was thirsty, and you gave me something to drink. I was sick, and you took care of me. Just as you did it to one of the least of these, you did it to me.
Who is my neighbour? A priest was going down that road, and when he saw him, he passed by on the other side. But a Samaritan, while travelling, came near him, and when he saw him, he was moved with pity. He went to him and bandaged his wounds. The one who showed him mercy, go and do likewise.
The story of care in this nation has always been international, shaped by healthcare workers from across the world. During the pandemic, nurses, midwives, healthcare workers, volunteers, and faith communities stood beside patients and families in their darkest moments. Behind every uniform is a human being. Florence Nightingale understood this well. She believed nursing was not simply a profession, but a calling, rooted in service, in faith and compassion. There is more that unites us than divides us. Compassion moves, compassion speaks, compassion transforms. May we leave this place today not only inspired but commissioned to act boldly, to care deeply, and to stand together